In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Duet Night Abyss fatal error. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a few different fixes what we can try to use. So the first fix is to launch with internet off. So this is a temporary workaround. So disconnect your PC from the internet, disable Wi-Fi, unplug your Ethernet cable, then open the launcher or game while offline. Once it's open, reconnect to the internet and try launching the game. Okay, from there is the second fix is to clear cache and exclusions. So in Windows, press Windows and R, and then run's going to appear. Now from here, we need to type in %temp%. So it should look like that and click OK. Now this is going to open up your temp folders inside of your PC. Now from here, just go ahead and click on Control A and then hit delete, and then delete all your temp files inside of here. So basically over time, this folder fills with junk files that can interfere with how programs like Duet Night Abyss run or update. So yeah, deleting all these is a good start. Now another thing we can try is to switch to DirectX 11. So in the launcher, before clicking start, look for an option like launch with DirectX 11 and tick it. And also ensure your PC has DirectX 11 installed and up to date. If you don't have DirectX 11 installed, just simply do a YouTube search for how to download and install DirectX 11. There's plenty of videos on there on how to do that. Now if all these steps don't fix the issue, we might need to reinstall or fresh install. So uninstall the game, delete any leftover folders in the install location to remove corrupted files, restart your PC, then reinstall the game fresh, and this should resolve the fatal error after multiple attempts.